What's up everyone, this is Wajahat from Innovative, and today I'm gonna show you how you can clean the phone screen easily. As you can see, this phone screen is really dirty and blurred because of loss of fingerprints. If you want to clean it, you need to do a simple thing. Just take a synthetic vinegar, which is mostly available at every home very easily. You just need to dip the tissue or any cloth in a vinegar and then rub the whole screen with the wet tissue like that. And then use a dry tissue and rub the screen, and results will appear within few seconds. As you can see, within few seconds screen is clear like a new one. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, click on like and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.